This video will show you how to lower your taxes with auto-related deductions using TurboTax. If you use your car for business, you may qualify for some powerful tax write-offs. The most common one is the standard mileage deduction. You simply track your business miles, and that alone can reduce your taxable income. But you also have the option to use actual expenses like gas, maintenance, insurance, and even depreciation of your vehicle. Inside TurboTax, go to Wages and Income, then your Self-Employment section, and look for Vehicle Expenses. That's where you'll enter everything. Just remember, only business use counts. Personal driving doesn't qualify. Choose the method that gives you the biggest deduction, review your numbers, and you're set. Follow for more simple tutorials like this.